Hello， 大家好 ，Welcome back to Master Mandarin， 我是 Gloria。Today we are going to learn the 10 essential Chinese when you order in the restaurant. For example, ask for the menu, tell them do you have a reservation, ask from the recommendation from server, and the password of the Wi-Fi, and so on. So are you ready? Then let's go! Number 1. When you enter the restaurant, the server comes in front, they will ask you, "Excuse me, sir, ma'am, do you have any reservation?" In Chinese, 请问有没有定位？请问有没有定位？请问有没有定位？ May I ask, do you have any reservation? Number 2. After asking, do you have any reservation? No matter what your answer, they will ask you, so how many people do you have? You will hear, 请问几位？请问几位？ The 位 here is a more polite and onerous form to the customer. You might also hear the other saying, 请问几个人？ Your answer could be, if you have only 2 people, you can answer 两位 and of course 两个人. If it's 6 people, 六位 or 六个人.
欢迎光临，请问有没有定位呢？
没有定位。
请问几位？
两位。
好，这边请。
谢谢。Number 3. Sometimes the server is too busy, they might forgot to give you the menu. Then you can ask, "May I have a menu, please?" 可以给我菜单吗？可以给我菜单吗？菜单 is menu. Can you give me the menu? 可以给我菜单吗？
这边请。
好，谢谢。不好意思，可以给我菜单吗？
可以，没问题，请稍等一下。
好，谢谢。Number 4. Sometimes they have too many options on the menu and it's hard to make a decision. Maybe you can ask for the recommendation from the server. 你有没有推荐的菜？你有没有推荐的菜？推荐 recommend. 你有没有推荐的菜？ Do you have any recommendation?
这是你的菜单。
请问你有没有推荐的菜？
我们的海鲜炖饭很受欢迎，如果你喜欢海鲜的话，可以试试看。
好。Number 5. Alright, you make your decision. Now you're gonna order a dishes. You can say, 我要点一个 plus the name of the dishes. 我要点一个 the name of the dishes. I want to order a something. Number 6. After you order your dishes, the server usually will confirm again, and in the end, they will ask, "Is that all for you?" That's all. 这样就好了。这样就好了。我们要一个海鲜炖饭，一个番茄意大利面，跟2瓶啤酒。
一个海鲜炖饭，一个番茄意大利面，
对，
跟2瓶啤酒。
对。
OK， 还需要什么吗？
这样子就好了，谢谢。
好，没问题。
好。Number 7. May I have the password of the Wi-Fi? You can say, 请问 Wi-Fi 的密码是什么？请问 Wi-Fi 的密码是什么？密码 is password. May I have the password of Wi-Fi? 请问 Wi-Fi 的密码是什么？不好意思，请问一下你们有没有 WiFi？
有。
WiFi 的密码是？
我们密码是0123445。
好，0123445。
对。
有了，好，谢谢。Number 8. Sometimes we just want to eat more, want to do the extra order. You can say, 我要加点一个 the dish's name. 我要加点一个 with the dish's name. I want to extra order a dishes. 我要加点一个 something. 吃完了还想再吃，不好意思，我们要再加点一份炸薯条跟一个巧克力蛋糕。
炸薯条跟巧克力蛋糕，
对，
这样就好了吗？
目前这样子就好了。
OK， 没问题。
好，谢谢。
小姐还吃啊？
很凶哎、
那你的朋友呢？
我的朋友可能不会来了，我自己吃。Number 9. Alright, you order too much, like you cannot finish at this moment. And I know it's not common in a Western country that you can tell the server to give you a doggy bag to wrap it up and take out for you, but it's pretty common in Asia. So if you want to do that, you can say 请帮我打包，谢谢。请帮我打包，谢谢。Please wrap it up for me, and I want to take out. 请帮我打包，谢谢。啊，点太多吃不完，打包好了。小姐不好意思，这些请帮我打包。
好，没问题，稍等我一下哦。
好，谢谢。Number 10, the last one. Finish a big meal and it's time to pay. It's time to have the check. You say, 我要买单。我要买单。I want to buy the bill, which means I want to have the check. 我要买单。小姐不好意思，我们要买单了。
哦，要买单吗？
对。
买单要到我们柜台哦。
哦，好。Hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson and find it is helpful to learn Chinese from a situational conversation. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe me on my YouTube channel, Master Mandarin TV. You can also find me on Facebook and Instagram, Master Mandarin. If you have any idea or you want to learn others topic, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know. I will make a video for that. Alright, I will see you next time. 我们下次见，拜拜。Someone is putting on more makeup. 店员在补口红。
嗨，请问有定位吗？
没有。那我要一个。
看啦。
我要点餐了，不要再偷吃苹果了，这位小姐，很不专业。等一下，
根本就没有朋友，为什么要讲？
怎么样？我朋友很多。
为什么要讲？
我朋友很多，只是他今天有事没有办法来。